am now at a lovely Airbnb. It's warm, it's very, very warm. Even though I don't have any heating on, it's an apartment, so it's warm. Although it does get chilly at night, but it's not freezing cold, can't cope chilly. So in my last vlog, I'd left my house sit in the north and needed to head back down to central. I had a week in between house sits and needed to get an Airbnb. So I got one in Cavilla because that was the nearest place I could get anything decent, nearest to Cindy's in Castellabranco, where I needed to go to finish my shed and help Cindy with her olive picking. I'm glad I actually ended up there because it's somewhere worth exploring. If you like hiking and mountains and nature and snow, it's quite a good place to be. So I'm definitely going to go back and explore, not necessarily the town, but the surrounding areas, with that being my closest town. So I'm off to Cindy's to finish building my shed and help Cindy. This is the last day of olive picking. Whatever's not picked after today does not get picked. So I'll catch up with you at Cindy's. Oh, look. Hello.
So sweet. Yes. Ah, don't touch my hand. No.
Oh, she's so adorable. Hours of entertainment.
You're up a tree?
I am. Oh, fun.
Loves. Timber.
That looks very relaxing.
It is very relaxing.
And it is a beautiful November day.
Hear this.
What are you doing?
Oh my God, you're lying on these olives I'm trying to sort here.
Oh my God. This is not easy.
What?
Having this crazy puppy. Crazy puppy.
I managed to get 30 kilos of this crazy puppy.
Good girl. Oh my God. So the olive picking is still going on, and the puppy has been getting up so much mischief. She's exhausted. Oh God, here comes trouble. Here comes.
Takes a break from being trouble every now and then.
Yeah, that's not my energy. And then she's forcing it. Oh no. Look at Tandhi walking on the lead for the first time. She's so clever. That is a bit freaky. They're a bit creepy, aren't they? So this is amazing as a dog lover. I've never seen so much dog love in Portugal. Apparently every year they have a dog walk because they celebrate dogs being part of the family.
I've definitely got those ones on the end.
This is what Albert Einstein will end up as. Oh, is that grapefruit?
I'm not sure.
Could be melon.
Oh, so we've had a nice coffee and some mushroom things, and this little madam has had her nap, so she's ready to now take herself for a walk. Here she comes.
She's got to sniff everything.
It's exciting. Well, we're coming to the end of Tandhi's first day out, and look at her, what a star on the lead. Just look at all those autumn colours. Oh, beautiful morning. So I stayed in the barn last night at Cindy's farm. I have a house sit today that I start, but I had one night in between accommodation, so I stayed here. I finished the shed yesterday. Let us go and have a look. Shed is finished! I don't want to talk too loud because the pigs will hear me, but I think they've heard me. They see me. Yep, the chorus has started. This next house sit was in a place called Grassa, which is in the Loria district, but it wasn't far over the sort of border of the Castella Branco district. The scenery and the landscape is quite different. The drive down was a stark contrast to the drive from the north to Castella Branco. The north and the north of Central were lovely autumn colours, beautiful automic scenes. They were long gone. So I took the A23 and the A8 down to this area, and the whole journey was just green. Miles and miles and miles of eucalyptus and pine trees, nothing else. It's just the same. Beautiful morning. It's that same old landscape. Trees, and more trees. I personally don't find this kind of landscape very attractive. I don't really like it at all. There's nothing natural about it. I mean, there's nothing natural about farmland really, but at least when it's varied and it's not just one monocrop, at least it feels a little bit more natural. But anyway, not my cup of tea. There was evidence of past fires everywhere, And in fact, in my opinion, the nicest landscape was where you had the regrowth from past damaged areas. But anyway, that's my opinion. This is oh dear. This is Jess. Get up. This is what is it? Tiggy, Tiger and Twiggy. And this is Jess. So on this sit I had a dog, 3 cats, 2 ducks and a goose and some fish to look after. Jess, what are you doing? What's up there? What are you chasing? Jess is having a whale of a time. I don't know what she thinks is in the woods, but she is on a mission. Jess the dog was wonderful company. She was a perfect walking companion. She can go for miles as I can, and she really enjoys her walks with great enthusiasm. Not all the dogs surprisingly do, so I love going out with a dog like her, which is a shame. I could have done with her on my last sit and I could have done a lot more hiking, but that's the way it goes. She was lovely, as were all the cats, who seemed to think they were dogs because they would keep coming on the walks, very long walks. I can't believe this cat. We are a long way from home. We was out on our walk and at one point I turned round and I don't know how she was following us because I didn't see her and she was there. So we are deep in the woods and we have the cat as well. Molly, no time for a rest. Come on. Come on. Come on, you. Look at you, you're knackered. Come on, Molly. Yeah, well, you decided to follow us. Come on. Oh my God, now we've got all of them coming. You lot need to go back. This is not a cat walk, it's a dog walk. Got the whole family, Jess. Cat, I have no idea what your meows mean, because I don't understand cats. I just know ducks. She's having a whale of a time. Look at this thing. Look at this one. She did not get the memo that she is not allowed on the sofa. Jess. Oh, are we comfy? Are we comfy? Hmm? You're not allowed on the sofa. So cute. These two just follow. Oh, you're all so good. Don't spoil it now. There you go. Pardon?